Welcome to our channel. If you want to buy cryptocurrency while minimizing or avoiding fees, follow these step-by-step instructions to reduce transaction costs significantly. Step 1. Research exchanges that offer zero-fee trading periods or promotional offers for new users. Platforms like Robinhood and some others occasionally offer commission-free crypto trading. Step 2. Use bank transfers instead of credit or debit cards for deposits. While bank transfers take longer, they typically have much lower or zero deposit fees. Step 3. Consider using limit orders instead of market orders. Some exchanges charge lower fees for maker orders, limit orders that add liquidity, compared to taker orders. Step 4. Look for exchange rewards programs or VIP tiers that reduce trading fees based on your trading volume or holdings of the exchange's native token. Step 5. Trade larger amounts less frequently rather than many small transactions. Fixed fees have less impact on larger trades, reducing the effective percentage cost. Step 6. Compare fee structures across multiple exchanges for your specific trading pair. Some platforms have lower fees for certain cryptocurrencies or payment methods. Step 7. Consider peer-to-peer platforms where you can negotiate rates directly with sellers. While not completely fee-free, competitive markets can offer better rates than traditional exchanges. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.